Now let's talk about what is human relations movement. The human relations movement was spearheaded by Elton Mayo as a response to the limitation of classical management theories. This movement emphasizes the importance of social factors, employee welfare, and the role of human interaction in the workplace. There are key principles included in this theory. First is employee welfare. It is all about recognizing that employees' well-being and satisfaction significantly impact their productivity. Second is social interaction. It emphasizes the importance of informal social interactions and relationships among employees. Third is employee participation. It encourages employees to participate in decision-making processes to increase their engagement and morale. And fourth is leadership and communication. It is all about fostering effective communication and leadership that is supportive and participative rather than authoritative. Let's apply this theory by having an application. Let's say we want to improve team morale and productivity. First, we can conduct employee surveys and interviews. This aims to understand employees' concerns, motivations, and suggestions for improving the workplace environment. Second is creating social interaction opportunities. The company conduct regular team building activities such as monthly social events, team lunches, and collaborative workshops to foster stronger interpersonal relationships and camaraderie among employees. Third is enhancing communication and leadership. We can have training programs for managers to develop better communication and leadership skills. This program emphasizes active listening, empathy, and providing constructive feedback. And last is recognizing and rewarding employees. We can implement recognition programs to acknowledge employees' contribution and achievements. Thank you and happy learning.